Power-TEC Mobi Lift, great in any workshop. Lift a vehicle to a convenient height safely and quickly. No effort is required. Position the Mobi Lift and lift the lever. For a quick estimate or even a wheel change, there is no easier way to lift a car quickly to gain access. It speeds up strip and refit and general repairs. If you lift a front-engine car on the back wheel, the rear of the car is lifted, giving terrific access. Low sports cars are always a problem. Sometimes you can't even get a trolley jack under them. This is no problem for the Mobi Lift. It will lift any vehicle from small cars to 4x4s and light commercials. With the Mobi Lift, there is no need to wait for a workshop lift to be available. With two Mobi Lifts, you can easily lift the front, giving access under the bumper panel and also letting you work on the sills and lower doors. The Power-TEC Mobi Lift operates from single-phase electrics. It will lift a vehicle in seconds in complete safety. There is no hydraulic system to fail. It has a 1 meter lift height and will lift vehicles up to 2,500 kilograms in weight. You will find it indispensable in any vehicle workshop.